Does your hotel or apartment building smell like smoke in some areas, no matter what you try? If you're in charge of a building with frequent visitors, lingering smoke from cigarettes or cannabis can be a constant problem. Let's get into some solutions. Smoke odors can be a huge problem for your building, as potential customers will not want to stay in your building and look elsewhere. And you can also get hit with complaints. State Chemical has been providing chemical cleaning solutions for businesses in different industries for over 100 years. In this video, we'll show you how a State Chemical representative would get rid of smoke odors in your facility, whether it be from cannabis or cigarette. From ready-to-use products to fragrance systems, there are a lot of customizable options that you can use in your facility to keep it smelling clean and fresh. First, let's start by discussing why air fresheners aren't enough to get rid of smoke odors. Smoke odors can linger in furniture, walls, and vents, leaving rooms unwelcoming and creating guest complaints. When you purchase a solution, be sure it is an odor eliminator rather than an odor masker. An odor eliminator will eliminate the malodor itself rather than simply mask it, providing a much cleaner atmosphere. Many of State's air care products contain SE500, an industrial-strength odor eliminator that will eliminate not only smoke odors, but other malodors as well, right at the source. There are many ways to treat smoke odors, but let's walk through the ways a State Chemical representative would solve your problems. Let's start by improving the air quality in your facility. Smoke odors can spread throughout indoor spaces, so it's important to have a fragrance system that covers your entire facility. The Fragrance Cube is designed to scent areas between 10,000 and 150,000 cubic feet, making it perfect for eliminating odors in larger spaces like lobbies or conference rooms. Every scent in our fragrance systems contains SE500, targeting smoke odors at the source. For smaller areas, like restrooms, a different fragrance system might be a better fit. Next, fabrics and textiles often absorb smoke odors, creating a lingering smell. To tackle this, apply fabric and textile refresher to odor-prone surfaces and tackle these problems replacing them with a clean and fresh scent. Finally, for spot treatments, keep air savers or trade winds nearby. Trade winds is a non-aerosol deodorizer that is ideal for refreshing lobby areas, hallways, or rooms during turnovers. If you prefer a total release option, Fragrance Burst TR delivers a powerful, fast-acting solution for eliminating stubborn odors. By combining fragrance systems and ready-to-use products, you can keep your facility smelling fresh and inviting. Why do I need air care? First impressions matter. State Chemical ensures your facility smells as good as it looks, with a range of fragrances and systems tailored to your needs. Plus, when you're on an agreement, we handle installation, maintenance, and provide detailed monthly reports, all at no extra cost. Now that you've learned how State Chemical would get rid of smoke odors in your facility, click the link below to determine how to choose the right fragrance system for your space.